So the question today is, KG, can I buy tax sale properties and are they cheaper than regular sale? Yeah, you can buy. Are they cheaper? Yes, they're cheaper. Can you take control of the property? We'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Remote, where we help buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses, and we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So the question is, can I buy tax sale properties and are they cheaper than regular sale? Yes, but the question is, are you able to take control of that property when you buy it? So let's break it down. What are tax sale properties? Tax sale properties are those properties that the homeowner, for whatever reason, are not able to pay their yearly taxes, their yearly property taxes, for whatever reason, financial difficulties, whatever, they're not able to pay. And the county have sent numerous letters to them. You need to pay this tax, you need to pay this tax, adding late fees to it. At a point, the property is going to go on tax sale. So depending on where you're living, your jurisdiction, or where you want to buy the property, it can be in 1 year, it can be in 2 years where they put the property on tax sale. But there's a tax sale every year. So where can you get list of properties that are going on tax sale? The county website, that is the quickest way to get it. So wherever county you are in, Prince George's, Montgomery County, or Amrano County, go to the website and type tax sale. It will let you know when the tax sale will be, and then the list of the properties that are going on tax sale. Some county still put them in the newspaper. Not that anybody read newspaper, but they still put them in newspaper, and you can sit down and look at it and see which properties interest you. So can you buy that property now when the tax auction comes on? Yes, you can buy the property. So let's break it down. So for instance, the first thing that you need to know is most properties that are on tax sale do not have mortgage on them. That means the homeowner owns that property free and clear. Why? A mortgage company will not allow their property, that's property, their property, right? If you have not finished paying, will not allow their property to go on tax sale when they can pay the taxes and charge the homeowner. So many, like I would say 99.9% of property that are on tax sale do not have any mortgage on them. So that means the homeowner owns that property free and clear. So, but then why would they allow it to go on tax sale? Whatever happens, it happens. So the house now, let's give a scenario, a house that is worth 400,000. The property tax is 6,000 a year, and the homeowner did not pay for whatever reason. Now the property is on tax sale auction. So can you get it for $6,000 plus the fees, the late fees? Of course, the county want to get their late fees. They've already had late fees. So the late fees, it can run that property from 6,000, run the tax from 6,000. It can now be approximately maybe 6,005. So can you buy a house that is worth 400,000, buy that tax sale, buy it at tax sale for 6,500? It's possible, right? If you don't have any competition, because it's an auction, so a lot of people will bid on it. So for whatever reason, let's just say for whatever reason, you are able to get that tax sale for 7,000, 8,000. Let's say you're able to get it for 8,000. So now you buy a house, not a house, now you buy a tax lien for 8,000 on a property that is 400,000. Now, do you go and take possession of the house? No, 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 no. How does it work? Once the auction is over, the homeowner have period of time that they can redeem that tax sale. What am I talking about? Yes, you cannot just go take possession of that property. No, depending on the jurisdiction, some give them 4, 5, 6 months for them to redeem that tax sale. So what is your gain, right? The gain is most people that invest in tax sale, tax lien, and these are investors, most of them are doing it because of the return they're going to get once the homeowner is redeeming, because they're going to pay fees for that, right? So this happened to a client of mine. Their property went on tax sale. They owed $800 on it, on tax. And when it was sold, the property is worth about $170 at that time. And when it was sold at tax sale, I don't even remember what the amount it was sold for, but what they owe on it is $800. By the time they actually go to the investor that bought that tax lien to redeem it, they pay $4,500. Yeah, $4,500. So that is what most investors are looking for. They're going to charge fees, interest for the tax sale. So that's why many are not looking to get the house, but to get the fees when the owner comes to redeem. So for whatever reason, let's just say for whatever reason, whatever happened, that homeowner decide not to redeem that tax sale. Decide like, listen, this house is worth $400,000. I'm just gonna let it go for $8,000. I don't care, for whatever reason. Does that mean you go get a house? No. So once the redemption period is over, now you have to go to court and do what we call foreclosure. You have to foreclose, give them notice. I mean, of course, when we're talking about you going to court, that means you need to hire a lawyer to do the foreclosure process for you. Once the house is foreclosed, depending on your jurisdiction again, it can take another 6 to 8 months to foreclose on a house, right? Once the house is foreclosed, now you can go and do an eviction. If somebody is still living in the house, now you can go and do an eviction and then take possession of the property. So you see the process, it can really take you a year to get it possession of that property. So it is worth it, right? If you're an investor and you're ready to go through that route and the homeowner did not redeem the tax sale, then you get a $400,000 house for $8,000. It is possible, but highly unlikely, right? So most people that invest in tax sale, like I said, they are investors and they do it to get their fees. So as a homeowner, as a home buyer, and that wants to occupy the property, to live in the property, tax sale is not an option that you should be looking at. Even though it looks, people advertise tax sale, you can buy a house on tax sale. No, not for a homeowner. Or a home buyer. It's highly unlikely that you're going to buy that house for pennies on the dollars. So that is the lowdown of buying a house in tax sale, buying properties in tax sale. So can you buy it? Yeah. Will you be able to take possession? I don't know. Will you be able to buy it for less than regular sale? Yes, but the question is, can you be the owner of that house based on what I've just explained? So that being said, if you're looking to buy, sell, invest in tax sale, right, or any sale, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Happy buying!